Officials from Delimitation Commission to visit J&K between the 6th and the 9th of July. Delimitation Commission officials to meet all political parties, Union Territory officials, including district election officers and deputy commissioners of 20 districts. This is going to be an extremely important process that has now kicked off with the Delimitation Commission all set to visit J&K. Remember, all the stakeholders in the electoral process of Jammu and Kashmir were taken into account. There was a meeting held at the national capital with the Gupkar Alliance leaders to discuss the issue of delimitation, and it was decided that that is the process that will first take place before the election dates of the Union Territories of Jammu and Kashmir are announced. Meenakshi Bhanja joining us with more inputs on this. Yes, Meenakshi, over to you on the schedule that will now be followed for J&K. First the delimitation and then, of course, the state elections in the Union Territories.
Well, that's right, Apida. You see, this is an important stage, or rather important stage of proceedings in the process of attaining normalcy in the state. This was something which featured prominently in the recently concluded talks between the Prime Minister and all the prominent leaders from Jammu and Kashmir, our viewers will recall. And this is the Delimitation Commission, which the commission whose term was extended by another year on March 2021 as a result of the ongoing pandemic. And a very crucial piece of information we are bringing to our viewers is as to how this Delimitation Commission will be undertaking a visit to Jammu and Kashmir between the 6th to the 9th of July. And the purpose of this visit is to gain first-hand clarity with regards to the, situation on ground, how people and all stakeholders feel, their points of view. And therefore, this assumes a lot of import because this is a Delimitation Commission which is headed by a former retired Supreme Court Justice, Honorable Justice Ranjana Prakash Desai. And then a decision with regards to this forthcoming visit has been taken after a meeting of the poll panel that was chaired by former retired Justice Ranjana Prakash Desai herself, and also with the members of the Chief Election Commissioner. So this is a very crucial exercise towards attaining sort of normalcy in the state, and therefore this assumes a lot of import because for the first time we will be seeing perhaps exchange happening with not just all the significant leaders who are stakeholders but public representatives as well from the ground.
Right, absolutely. Meenakshi, thanks for joining us with the important inputs on the story.